Well, birds have found our blueberries and they're starting to make a mess. They're knocking down berries to the ground. So we're going to put up a little protection netting sometime today or tomorrow. I have the poles driven in. We're going to put pool noodles on these things with some netting. You can see the netting on the ground. We don't mind sharing with the birds, but when they start to make a mess and waste the food, then we start to mind. So we'll put up a little protection, and that way we'll be sure to get the berries that we can. They are so good. Hi, good morning. This is John from 2 Doves Bees and Gardens. Sarah's over here too on the ground. We are putting up some bird exclusion netting on our blueberries. The birds have found their way in, and we don't mind sharing with the birds. However, they're wasting blueberries. They come and knock down green ones, or they just knock down berries, and we don't want to waste the berries. We work hard to get them. Don't mind sharing, but don't waste them. So we're putting up some netting. Let me turn you around and show you what we got going. You can see Sarah there. She's working on clipping the netting in the various places to keep it taut. You can see what we've done. We put in some cheesesteaks, and we put up pool noodles between the cheesesteaks just to give some lift to the netting. You probably can't even see that netting. It's dark, and it's dark out here today too. We got some storms coming in, but if I do like this, you should be able to see the netting there. And we actually have it's up off the ground. One of the things that we found about this bird netting is that it can catch snakes, and it's not fun to try and get an angry snake that's caught in that bird netting out of its bird netting. They don't like that. They get hissy. They throw a hissy fit. Anyway, you can see at the very end down here, we had an old greenhouse. The old cheap plastic cover is long gone. That thing didn't last very long, but the frame is still here. The frame needs a little attention, but we had it, and we put it at the end to cover the blueberries and to give us some structure to the netting. And so you can see these clips on the frame. There are little clips all around holding the netting down to make sure it doesn't blow away in the wind, keeps it off of the plants, and basically just helps to keep everything in place. So that's it, just a very short video, just showing what we're doing, trying to do some exclusion from the birds. And we got some thunder coming in, so I'm going to go inside here before the lightning comes and starts to get too close. Sarah's looking at me. It's like, lightning close. Anyway, we hope you have a great day, and we will talk to you again soon.